Hi guys, this is Reina from Peer Tutoring Club, and this is part 1 brain structure from AP Psychology that you really have to know if you're preparing for AP Psychology exam for this May. Guys really have to memorize all the parts and their functions and what happens if their parts are damaged. Brains are mainly divided into 3 parts, which are hindbrain, midbrain, and forebrain. Hindbrain is located in the top part of the spinal cord, and it's developed during gestation, and it controls basic functions that keep us alive, including cerebellum, medulla, reticular formation, and pons. First, that I will introduce you guys is cerebellum. It is for coordinations of motor movements and regulatory functions. Next is medulla. It is for habitual automatic behaviors such as your blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing. Next is pons. It is just right above medulla, and it connects hindbrain with midbrain and forebrain, and it involves in control of facial expression. Reticular formation controls the flow of sensory information from the lower part of the body up to the brain, which means it controls arousal and consciousness. If you damage this part, then you fall in coma. You really have to memorize this part. It falls in coma when this doesn't work. Midbrain is for sensory pathways that carry visual information to occipital lobe, which allows us to focus our attention, and it includes parts of reticular formation, but this isn't that much important. Let's move into forebrain, and it contains limbic system. It is one of the very most essential system in your brain. It includes thalamus, hypothalamus, amygdala, hippocampus, and it includes other cortexes. First is the limbic system. Just simply explaining this, it's just emotional response to stimuli, and it controls basic desires. Thalamus receives sensory signals coming up from spinal cord and sending them to appropriate areas in the forebrain. Hypothalamus is located right next to the thalamus, and you have to memorize these functions. It is for feeding, fighting, fleeing, and sexual reproduction, and it is also related to the basic desires, which is body temperature and endocrine system. So you really have to memorize this brain structure because it's one of the very essential parts. Amygdala is also another main, and a very important brain part that you really need for your AP Psychology exam. It is just arm surrounding thalamus, and it is essentially for emotions, but mainly for anger and aggression. Lastly, hippocampus is also very important. It is for a memory system, but not permanent one. If you damage in this area, then it will lead to disability in remaining new information. Thank you for watching. This was Reina Lee from Peer Tutoring Club. Please look forward for watching other video that I will soon upload. And next video, it will be about AP Psychology brain structure, but mainly about the cortexes. Thank you so much, and see you later.